Alright everyone, what we have here today is an Era Euro cylinder. Got it from my friend Tony over in France. Having to ship it away Monday, so figured I'd take a last crack at it, try to get it on video. I have picked this one before, I just don't have it on camera. So here we go. We're going to use just a flat pry bar and a Sparrows Tron. I'm really liking this pick lately, so we're gonna see if we can get her open. Alright, little click off of one there. Sure, you can hear my daughter watching TV behind me. You'll have to forgive the music. Alright. Alright, got our false set. Click off at 3. Four. And open. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Oh yeah, don't have a key for this one, but do apologize for that. Go ahead and get her locked back up. Yeah, I'll be sending this lock on Monday morning, so you'll get to, somebody else will get to have some fun with it. Thank you again, Tony. These locks have been a whole lot of fun and a whole different ball game for me as an American. You know, I've been working mostly on American locks here until this last week, and yeah, this has just been a great experience, and I really appreciate it. Anyway, you guys don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.